Mobile car valeting, UK. Let's be honest for a second. Most people typing mobile car valeting business UK into a search bar aren't just dreaming of cleaning Lamborghinis. The reality is far more practical and, frankly, far more achievable. They're looking for something more fundamental. They're looking for control. Control over your income, where your effort directly translates to your earnings. Control over your time, escaping the rigid 9 to 5 and deciding when you work. Ultimately, it's about gaining control over your life. And that's exactly why mobile car valeting works so well as a business, if you understand what it really is and what it isn't. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire blueprint based on real-world experience here in the UK. We'll cover, first, how this business actually works in the unique UK market. Second, exactly how much it costs to start with real numbers. Third, how much you can realistically earn from a solo operator to a growing business. And finally, a crucial reality check on whether this is something you should even consider. There will be no hype, no overnight millionaire nonsense. Just the facts, the figures, and the strategy you need to build a solid, profitable service business from the ground up. Why mobile car valeting works in the UK. The UK is a near-perfect environment for this business model to thrive. But you have to ask, why? What makes this small, rainy island such a hot spot for mobile valeting? It comes down to a simple convergence of factors. First, our weather. It rains. A lot. Roads are constantly wet. Cars get sprayed with grime. And in winter, they're caked in road salt. Cars get dirty, fast. Second, our culture. People are increasingly time poor. We value convenience above almost everything else. The idea of driving to a car wash, waiting in a queue, and then driving back is a hassle most would pay to avoid. Third, most people genuinely don't want to spend their Saturday morning cleaning their own car. It's a chore. And finally, a crucial point: space. Millions of us live in terraced houses, flats, or new builds with tiny driveways. Many simply don't have the space, the hosepipe access, or the permission to wash their car at home. Mobile car valeting isn't about passion for cleaning cars. It's about providing a simple, convenient solution to a boring, recurring problem. Your customers are everywhere. They are the busy professionals who need their car presentable for clients. They are the families whose cars are filled with the evidence of school runs and weekend trips. They are the local businesses with a small fleet of vans that represent their brand on the road. And here's the key insight. Most of these customers don't care about concours-level perfection. They care about getting a clean, fresh car without losing 2 hours of their weekend. They care about the time and hassle you save them. That's the service. That's where you come in. What mobile car valeting actually is. Let's clear up a common and costly misconception right away. Mobile car valeting is not the same as high-end detailing. Confusing the two is the fastest way to fail. Think of it like this. Valeting is about speed and consistency. It's a system designed to get a car from dirty to very clean in a predictable amount of time, usually 1 to 2 hours. Detailing, on the other hand, is about perfection and time. It involves paint correction, ceramic coatings, and can take an entire day or more, commanding a much higher price but requiring a different skill set and client. As a beginner, valeting is where the consistent money is. It's a volume game. So what does a standard valet service actually include? You're providing a core package that solves 90% of the customer's problem. This includes a thorough exterior wash, usually with a pre-wash and safe 2-bucket method. A comprehensive interior clean, which means wiping down all hard surfaces like the dashboard and door cards. A full vacuum of the carpets, mats and seats. Cleaning all the interior and exterior windows. And finally, dressing the tires to give it that finished look. That's the core product. It's simple, repeatable, and highly profitable when you get your system down. Startup costs, real numbers. Okay, let's talk money. This is where many people get scared off by imagining huge, unnecessary expenses. Here's what you actually need to get started, broken down into realistic UK prices. First, the van. This is your biggest initial investment, but you need to be smart. You do not need a new, sign-written, top-of-the-range van. A reliable used small panel van like a Ford Transit Connect, a Citroën Berlingo, or a Vauxhall Combo is perfect. Look for something in the £2,000 to £4,000 range. It just needs to be mechanically sound and clean. Its job is to carry your gear, not win a beauty contest. Next, the essential equipment. A decent electric pressure washer will cost between £150 and £300. A good quality wet-dry vacuum is essential for interiors. That's about £80 to £150. A water tank, typically 250 to 400 litres, will be around £150 to £300. This allows you to be fully self-sufficient. Then you have the smaller items: hose reels, quality buckets, brushes, and mitts. Budget around £100 for these. Finally, your initial stock of basic chemicals: shampoo, all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, tire dressing, and a good supply of microfiber cloths will be another $100. So, your total equipment setup, on top of the van, is realistically going to be somewhere between £1,000 and £2,000. This is precisely why this business is so powerful for a new entrepreneur. The barrier to entry is low. It's a low-risk, low-overhead model. You're not signing a 5-year lease on a shop. Your main asset, the van, holds its value reasonably well. Licenses and insurance. UK. Now for the paperwork. The good news is, it's refreshingly simple compared to many other businesses. You don't need food hygiene certificates. You don't need premises licenses or health inspections. The bureaucracy is minimal. However, there are a few non-negotiables you absolutely do need. First, public liability insurance. This is essential. It covers you if you accidentally damage a client's vehicle or property. It's not expensive, typically £10, £20 per month, and it's your safety net. Second, you need the correct business insurance for your van, which must cover you for your specific type of work. Standard personal vehicle insurance is not sufficient. Third, water usage. If you're using your own tank, you're fine. If you need to use a client's water supply, you must have their permission. And finally, wastewater disposal. You cannot simply let chemical-laden runoff flow into public storm drains. This is illegal and environmentally irresponsible. You need a system to contain it or use products and methods that are compliant. That's it. Simple and manageable. Get these things in order, and you're operating as a legitimate professional business. Pricing strategy. This is critical. Your pricing strategy determines your profitability and your brand positioning. The number one rule is, do not race to the bottom. Competing to be the cheapest is a game you will always lose. Instead, you price based on value and time. A typical UK pricing structure looks something like this. A basic valet or maintenance wash might be £30, £40. This is your entry-level service. Your bread and butter will be the full valet, which includes the full interior and exterior clean we discussed. This should be priced between £50 and £80, depending on your area and the size of the vehicle. Then you have your upsells. A mini detail, which might include a hand polish or wax, could be £100 or more. Add-ons like pet hair removal or an upholstery deep clean can add £20, £30 to any job. Let's do the maths. An efficient operator can comfortably handle 4 to 6 full valets in a day. At an average of £60 per car, that's a daily turnover of £240 to £360. Working a 5-day week, that's a potential turnover of over £1,000 per week. This is not fantasy, it's the reality for many established mobile valeters. And then there are fleet contracts. This is where you can build a foundation of predictable recurring income. Imagine securing a local business with 10 vehicles. You agree a rate of, say, £50 per car for a full valet. They book you to clean all 10 cars every other Friday. That's £500 of guaranteed income in one location before your week has even started. That is predictable income, the holy grail of any small business. How to get customers. Having the best gear means nothing if the phone doesn't ring. This business lives and dies on local visibility. When you're starting with a zero budget, you need to be smart and targeted. Start with the free and low-cost essentials. First, join your local Facebook community groups. Don't just spam them. Introduce yourself, post high-quality before and after photos of your work, and run an introductory offer. Second, set up a Google business profile immediately. It's free, and it puts you on the map when people search for car valet near me. Encourage every happy customer to leave a review. Third, get some simple professional flyers printed and distribute them in supermarket car parks, local industrial estates, and office blocks. And finally, the most powerful tool of all, word of mouth. Remember, your van is your mobile billboard. Even before you can afford a full vehicle wrap, make sure it's clean and has a clear, professional magnetic sign with your business name and phone number. But the secret weapon isn't marketing, it's professionalism. Show up in a clean van. Act professionally and be polite. And most importantly, answer messages and phone calls fast. You would be amazed at how many small businesses fail at these basics. Just by being reliable and responsive, you will immediately put yourself ahead of 80% of your competitors. Common beginner mistakes. Let's be real for a moment. Many people try this and fail within the first year. It's not because the business model is flawed, it's because they fall into the same predictable traps. The most common mistakes are, first, they overbuy equipment. They see detailing channels on YouTube and think they need a £500 machine polisher and 10 different types of ceramic coating before they've even washed a single car. Stick to the basics we listed. Second, they underprice their services. They think being the cheapest will get them customers, but it just attracts the wrong type of client and makes it impossible to make a profit. Third, they chase perfection. They spend 3 hours on a £50 valet, trying to make a 10-year-old family car look brand new. This is a business, not a hobby. Know when good enough is actually perfect for the job. And finally, they quit after a few slow weeks. Every business has peaks and troughs, especially when you're starting. Consistency is key. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-paid consistently business, built on reliability and hard work. Who this business is not for this business isn't a magic bullet, and it's definitely not for everyone. This is not for you if you genuinely hate physical work. This is a hands-on job. You'll be on your feet all day, in all weathers. If you need instant results and get discouraged easily, this isn't for you. Building a client base takes time. If you avoid dealing with customers, you will struggle. You are the face of your business, and if you are not punctual and reliable, you will fail. Full stop. But if you are someone who likes independence and being your own boss, if you want direct control over your earnings and schedule, if you are willing to learn a system and execute it consistently, and if you want to build a source of real, tangible income based on your own efforts, then this business model works. Once you're established and have a steady income from valeting, that's when you can start to scale. You can raise your prices as your reputation grows. You can invest in training and equipment to add high-margin detailing services. You could even hire another van and train someone to follow your system. Valeting is the door that gets you into the game. Final message. Here's the bottom line. You don't need permission from anyone to start. You don't need to wait for the perfect time, because it doesn't exist. And you don't need to feel 100% confident before you begin. Confidence is a result of action, not a requirement for it. What you need is movement. Most people stay stuck in jobs they dislike because they overthink every possibility until they're paralyzed by indecision. This business rewards action, consistency, and professionalism. And if you do it right, if you follow the principles we've laid out today, it can quietly and profoundly change your life. CTA, end. If this was helpful and gave you the clarity you were looking for, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. We release practical business guides like this every week. And if you're exploring different service business ideas, watch our video on starting a food trailer business next. And remember, no one is coming to save you. But the truth is, you don't need saving. You just need a plan.